Ever dreamed of making restaurant quality fried rice at home? Today, that dream becomes a reality with this easy to follow recipe. This fried rice recipe is so easy to make and is a great option as a healthy side dish for your next dinner evening. Here's the recipe. We're using 2 cups of brown rice for this recipe. Start by rinsing your brown rice under running water. Add your rinsed brown rice to a large pot. Pour 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth into the pot. You can use water if you don't have any vegetable broth, but it won't be as flavorful. Turn your burner on high heat and bring your pot of rice to a boil. Once it's boiling, place a lid on your pot and reduce the heat down to low. We'll let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. While the rice cooks, we'll prepare the other ingredients in our recipe. Turn another burner on medium heat and add a large skillet on top of it. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil on top. Add half a cup of diced white onion and cook that for about 5 minutes. Once your onion is cooked, add a teaspoon of minced garlic and add half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Cook both for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the skillet. Crack open and add 2 large eggs into a small bowl and whisk the eggs together. Return your skillet to your burner and add your whisked eggs to the skillet. Scramble the eggs on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, remove the eggs from the pan. Return your skillet again and add 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots that have been thawed. Cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the pan. Check back on your rice. Once it's fluffy, remove the pot from the burner. Return your skillet for the final time as we'll begin adding everything together. Add your cooked rice. Add your cooked vegetables and scrambled eggs. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Add a tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce. Add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And finally, the juice from half a lemon. Mix everything together until it's fully combined. Now we'll plate our dish. Add your fried rice to the plate. Garnish with some sliced green onions on top. And sprinkle some sesame seeds as well. And you're set to serve your fried rice. This pairs well with a cooked protein such as chicken, shrimp, pork, or tofu. Add your cooked protein towards the end of the cooking process when you're mixing all of your ingredients together. Feel free to customize the recipe to your liking. Swap out the peas and carrots for the vegetables of your choice, or swap out the brown rice for your preferred rice. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.